Perfectress Perfect Plug. Technical instruction. Perfectress, Remy hair, a cuticle intact or pure virgin hair, cuticle intact. Professionally designed oval-shaped tips with exclusively formulated deformable adhesive, guaranteed no sliding. Tips are ultra small. Perfect ring ultra small, thin, and lightweight, securing firmly with minimal pressure. Extremely easy and fast to fit and remove. Client's hair remains completely damage-free. Designed with seamless integration and ultimate wearing comfort. No glue, no tape, no heat, no solvent, no residue, no damage. Durable through more than 1 year of regular wear. Perfectress Perfect Plug Tip, oval shape. Perfectress Extended Polymer Loop. Perfectress Perfect Rings, 3.5 mm. Low perfect rings onto the polymer loop. Perfect plugs packed in sleeve bag. Fitting. Section the hair. Place a weight on the sleeve bags to stabilize, while withdrawing with one hand. Section ring. Perfectress Transformer M. Perfectress Tools bag. Lift client's hair with section ring. Pull client's hair through perfect ring using the polymer loop. Push the perfect ring upwards and closer to the scalp. Slide out one strand from the sleeve bag. Insert the perfect plug tip into the perfect ring tunnel. Double check that hair direction is downwards. Clamp the tip with transformer LW with one firm squeeze. Pressed perfect ring and perfect plug. Perfectress bristle brush. Brush the hair downwards starting from the bottom, then move up. Finished result showing 25 strands on client's head. Finished result, front and back. Example of improper squeezing. Perfectress reformer. Remove the improper squeezed perfect plug using the reformer. Release the client's hair. Brush the client's natural hair and extensions together. Perfect plugs are now fully concealed and invisible. Removal. Open the perfect ring with the transformer LW. Brush away all open perfect rings and perfect plugs, and comb the hair straight. Thank you for watching.